what's up? It's me, Cece, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I hope that you'll stay subscribed and become a part of the Fashionceesta family. Now, we were all trying to break YouTube stream yesterday. I literally set my alarm clock for 7 a.m. Eastern time because I just knew that Beyonce would be popping on my screen at 7 o'clock in the morning. So, I get up. No Beyonce. But of course, it will be like her because she knows that we will go to the ends of the earth to make sure that we catch every little single thing that she does. So I did end up realizing, okay, they're going to show the entire festival. Once they said that it was going to be a 12-hour festival, I'm like, okay, obviously, you know, no shade to nobody else, but Beyonce and Jay-Z are the biggest act at this festival. So they're probably going to be last, 7 o'clock in the morning. It's a 12-hour festival. I'm just gonna log back on the stream sometime around 7 o'clock. Everybody who knows me knows that I'm like obsessed with Beyonce, so they already knew that if I was not watching it, that I was gonna find out some way, somehow, that like they were about to perform. So I did end up catching Global Citizens Festival, and the little piece of what I did see was like, oh my God, so amazing. We had this one crazy guy that was actually there. He did show us a live stream and I'm grateful. It was pixely, but you know, we got the gist of what was going on. So Beyonce wore this beautiful brown, golden, bronzy, just goodness of an eye. Of course, she linked up with Sir John. He is her original makeup artist, or the makeup artist that we have seen linked to her for the longest. And they came up with this beautiful look. There's no way in the world that they could create such magic. And I don't come on my channel and recreate it. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I created my Beyonce by Sir John South Africa Global Citizens Festival look, please keep watching. So let me say this, because I don't want y'all trying this look at home, because I'm sure NYX has tons of great glitter options. This is not safe for your eyes. This is not safe for your eyes. This is not safe for your eyes. But me, Cece, I'm gonna use it on my eyes. I'm not telling you to use it on yours, but I'm using it on mine. So I'm gonna use this glitter here and this one right here. I've already put it into my Stila mixing palette and it looks like this. I don't know that the camera is really picking up on the color. And mix it with a little bit of this walnut NYX pigment. As you can see, it's not much at all. It's literally, if you can even see it, it's that little dot right there. Use my NYX multi-action mixing medium, and I'm just going to drop the slightest bit of this into the bowl. Okay, it's right in between the glitter and the pigment. Use our favorite old school applicator. I'm just gonna stir the two together. As you guys know, B had most of her glitter like super concentrated, so when she closed her eye, you saw all glitter. But when she has the eye open. For some reason, it looks like a halo. And I really don't have like a particular way that I do it. I kind of just make sure that I'm like getting the glitter all over the lid sporadically, making sure that I concentrate it in the center mostly. And I'm literally just patting the glitter over my eyelid. Now that I have the glitter off, I'm going to go ahead and dust off this excess powder. And I am going to use my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the color Dark Deepest to dust off this powder. Because I want this brown to really pop, I'm going to go in first with my black CoverGirl Queen Collection pencil in the shade Midnight, and I'm just going to line under the lash line because she did have it looks like either a nude or a gold pencil on her waterline. So I'm just going to use this black and smudge it out with Central Park, which is the brown in the Jaclyn Hill palette. And I'm going to go ahead and apply my mink lashes off camera, and this is just what they look like. I got these from my local hair store. So I'm going to go ahead and apply those, and I will be right back. Okay, so lashes are on. So B had some type of eye-opening waterline eyeliner in her eye. I'm not sure if it was nude or if it was gold, so I just grabbed what I had closest to me, and it was my Sephora contour eye pencil in the color Suntan, and this is pretty golden shade. I have used this on my channel before.
Those moments up against the wall, feels like pain burning, nothing more.
Going in with my favorite mascara. This is the Lancome mascara, and I cannot think of how to pronounce it, but I think it's like Monsieur. I don't know. I'm pretty sure this is French, and I cannot pronounce it to save my life, but I'm just going to take this and I'm going to really go at it with my bottom lashes because her bottom lashes were shock. Okay?
Let it go, let it.
Today I'll be using Colored Rain liquid lipstick in the shade NARS. I just found that's just the best way for me to like put my liquid lipstick on and to blend it. Now, Mama had a very poppin' highlight. It was very subtle, but also very poppin'. So for that, I am going to use my Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Cinnamon. Now I'm going to go over that highlighter with the Wet n Wild highlighter, Precious Petals, and it's very soft, very subtle. So I can't call myself trying to recreate a Beyonce look and like leave off camera like this, hair, scar, face, feet. No sis, I gotta give the vibes, okay? So yeah, I gotta get it together.